We'll talk about the benefits. Potassium helps your plants move water and nutrition between cells. It strengthens the stems of your plants and protects them from diseases. It is used to help the flowering process and it starts to be able to improve the quality of the fruit of your plants. How can it be made? And the basic recipe is here: banana peels, jar container, plastic jar lids, and water. What will be the color in the jar container after 1 week time? Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon on top. Stay tuned for more videos. Until that, we are signing off from Creative Gardening. Thank you.